really had such a charmed life. My parents loved me. I lived in I was like a princess. And sabi nga ni Mae West pa yun, I was Snow White, but I drifted. It wasn't my fault, but I had to. But, I was really such a good girl. So, Mr. DJ and all these things. And then, I fell in love. So, I hurt my parents because alam nyo na, ang pag-ibig, harangan mo ng sibat. Nasibat ang puso ko. Pero, after that, oo, isang sibat ulit. Mamaya, sibat na naman. Ano lang ba itong sibat? Sibat ulit. Ito na ulit si sibat. Tapos I did this movie with, I had the most fun doing this movie. This has to be my favorite movie that I ever made. Of course, there are movies that I love because of their artistic excellence, etc., or there were hits. But this one, because so much was going on behind the camera as well. So, kilig na kilig ako noon dahil broken-hearted ako noon. Kakasplit lang namin ng Buling Sibat. May pumasok. Hindi ko nakita may sibat din. Na-in-love naman ako, lumigaw sa akin. Napakabait naman hanggang ngayon we're such good friends and we really get along. We have the same sense of humor and everything. He asked for my hand in marriage from my dad. Nalalaman mo dito sa audience kung sino chismosa. Tapos, sabi ng daddy ko, sabi niya si ma'am ho, paglabas mo ng annulment niya, hindi ba ako na-annul nun? In fairness. Anong tawag dyan? Anong tawag doon? May tawag doon eh. Sabi niya, pagtapos po ng annulment, pakakasalan ko po si ma'am kahit po saan hiningin ko pong kamay. Sabi ng daddy ko, sino bang ma'am pinag-uusapan natin? Sabi ni Sibat, sabi niya, si Ma'am Sharon po. Si Sharon pala, wala tayong problema. Ngayon ko si Ma'am Elaine, malaki problema natin. Kasi yung nanay ko po yun. So, tawa lang po kami ng tawa. Ang ganda-ganda po ng relationship namin. Tapos ang araw po nalaman ko, nakabuntis po siya. Wala nangyari. Sibat na naman. Anyway, I dedicate this to you. And to all of you. You can see I still love him and love this movie. I love him pero mahirap na magkamali siya. Tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Sa ating mong pag-ibig wala akong pakialam. Basta't mahal kita kailan pa man. Huwag kang mag-isip na ano pa man. Sino ka man? Sing with me if you can. Mahal kita, basta't mahal kita. Iniisip nila hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging. Sino ka man? kaya niyo naman pala, kayo na dito. You never forget the songs, that's why I'm so touched. Thank you po. I love you too. Maliban lang ikaw ay bigyan ko. Ako'y isang buwan, umiibig sa'yo. At kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, nakikitang laman, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man.